fix this HP laptop today. The screen is broken. The screen is all broken, and you can see it's visible cracks. So today we're gonna replace the screen by turning off, turn the power off, and remove the battery. There's the cell battery right here. You have to remove. Remove this, and then open the laptop and remove the. And there is 4 screws in the top and the bottom. Remove it with a small Phillips screwdriver. And then close the laptop. And then boom, open it. Boom, you now have the screen down. So now you have to remove the wire harness that goes to the camera and the screen. Make sure it's not tangled or pushed in. Make sure it's straight to connect the wire harness that goes to, yeah.
Is that it?
And then put the screen right to the screw holes that's onto the middle. Everything's tightened. Now remove this. Brand new screen. And then put this plastic cover right back. Now we have to close this and put the cell battery back on, and those 2 knobs will lock. Now, boom, the screen is replaced, and now it looks brand new. I hope if this is helpful, like this video and also subscribe to the channel. And have a nice day, and bye.